Hey physics class, can we go thrift shopping?
Friction. Tension. Normal. Air resistance. Friction. Tension. Normal. Air resistance.
Gravity.
Yeah.
Gravity.
Yeah.
Gravity.
Yeah.
Gravity.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move some mass, only got 20 newtons of applied force. I'm a pushing, fighting static friction. This is really awesome.
See an object at rest like what up, why you know motion. I'm just pumped about some F net equaling 0. Object moving. Velocity constantly. People like, dang, that's the velocity. Net force is still 0. Keep on moving at that speed. Jared's in pink, except his sneaker shoes, those are green. Gonna keep resting, man. Hooligans are next to me. Probably should have watched this. F net is what? Not 0. Whoosh. But shoot, it was over 99 newtons. Copping it, watching it, we changed F net to not 0, passing up all those bros at rest, someone else been pushing me. Why did I let Kelsey write the stuck at constant velocity? Saving my energy, and I'm really happy we beat friction. I'ma keep on moving now. No, for real, ask Dr. R. F net 0, keep on moving. That was Newton's first law in action. When F net equals 0, the object keeps on digging. Don't know about Newton's second? Let's talk about Newton's second. F net equals MA equals F net. Hello, his F net was 0. Then we applied a force, now his F net's not 0. We pushed harder than friction, made a move with conviction. Those other forces be like, oh, they beat the friction.
I'm 1.5 kg mass, they've got 20 newtons of applied force. Mu k is 0.2, mu static 0.5. This is really awesome. Objects on a slant, theta's got 20 degrees to rocket. F normal, friction and angle. This is really awesome. What you knowin' about rocking that circular motion? F net's MA, which is mv squared over r. On top, v min, it's the square root of gr. And on that note, let's go back to our first problem. Thank your teacher for putting that one up on the exam, because right now there's more than just gravity and normal. I'm at the Goodwill. Can you solve this one? I'm not stuck. I'm waiting for your applied force, your angle, your friction, your FG, your normal. I'll take that FG cosine theta. Second hand, I'll rock those vector components. At 20 sine, 20 on normal on that big rocker, I hit the enter key. They stop in that F normal. They'd be like, oh, 21, that's really tight. I'm like, yo, that's just 10.5 max static friction. Limited addition. Let's do some simple addition. It's just FG down that theta. Don't ignore that little glitch. Call that extra force down from the FG. I call that not getting tricked by the problem. Those are the components, go! And having the numbers take 5 newtons from 20 coasts, let's go. The friction, kinetic now, take another 4. Trying to stop the movement of the mass, but it really won't. Yeah, it really won't. A force! Moving mass! Yeah! I'm gonna move some mass. Friction's got 4.2 and down the incline. FG at 5 more, take it all from 19. This is really awesome. These forces come in pairs, action and reaction. Same mag force opposite, that was Newton's third, let's go. These forces come in pairs. Dang right.
Action and reaction.
Now come on, man.
Same mag force opposite.
Force opposite. That was Newton's third. Let's go. They can move the mass with that 20 newtons of applied force. F net is 9.5 going up the incline. Acceleration equals 6.39.
Did you just solve that problem? Ready.
No.
How did you mess that up?
Oh my god, it looks bad. It's awesome.
Kelsey, steer!
Wait, Kelsey, you know how to drive?
No!
Then this is a bad idea. Stop the car. Brake.